To be honest, it's AI photos and desperate political propaganda like this that make us really distrust the DDS. O yung mga salot at siraulong kulto ni Digongyo. Proof na kulto nga sila, hindi lang bobo, kundi salot pa ang kanilang mga miyembro. Take a closer look at DDS political propaganda. Yung kanilang pambobong symbolism, yung total AI photos ng kanilang mga asal adik at asal kriminal na mga puon. Parang North Korean propaganda lang. Actually, mas masahol pa. Mala komunista ang kanilang mga tirada. That's why the DDS are the new Reds sa Pinas. It makes you question kung normal ba o sadyang siraulo lang ang mga propaganda trolls ng mga DDS. Pero in reality, ganito lang naman kabobo at kasabaw ang kanilang idol. Kaya ginagawang AI photo na lang.
In the NDFL Cup, they are only about ano yung ng LCAP? And local armed conflict.
And local communist armed conflict.
And local, there, LCAP. Nakalimutan ko yung sagot ko. Sandali. I cannot explain that you, as I said, before I was saying the problem of the Philippines is kahirapan, kagutuman, corruption, and all the other peace and order issues. But so I will not help them solve the problem.